Space, the final wilderness. These are the voyages of the Fortitude. Our diplomatic mission is to explore everywhere, everything, and everyone. To blindly go where no one else wants to go. Energize! Arga, why didn't you think of that?
I'm sorry, Captain. I must have dropped the ball. You gotta cradle the balls.
Here comes Mr. Spank in the shuttle. Mr. Spank, your timing is impeccable. We shall name that phenomenon the Landville effect.
I am truly honored, Captain.
It's a Class B warning. B is for burn!